I had been onto a couple of YouTube pages describing how to separate the LCD from digitiser on the Garmin Montana, and none of them showed how to separate the ribbon cables. You can see they're overlapped. There's this small adhesive piece of plastic which wraps around it on the back around to the front to hold them together. So you peel that off first. Then you get a sharp knife, something like this one, and you stick it in between the two and apply pressure, and then use a heat gun and apply it to the solder joints with a very slight pressure downwards, and it'll slice through the two of them, leaving you with your digitiser separated from your LCD. That's it.